Welcome, guys. We're here officially at our 2026 Futures Fair and Youth Summit here at Bonifacio once again.
I can't explain how excited I am to be here this morning with the future of Albuquerque. We've got so many kids in this building that are just working on being the best versions of themselves.
I'm Yuriana Ataide, the campus director at Pima Medical Institute, Albuquerque campus, and we're here at the Youth Summit Futures Fair, celebrating our students and giving them the opportunity to discover careers and multiple educational pathways. I'm so excited to title sponsor this event, as it's an opportunity for us to give back to our community and provide a safe space for students to explore their curiosity and their greatest potential.
Thank you so much for hosting the Youth Summit and Futures Fair. Del Norte Credit Union is a proud sponsor of this event, and we are the Career Readiness sponsor track.
Hi, I'm Mal from New Mexico Tech. I'm really excited to be here at the Youth Summit Fair. I'm really excited to talk to all these inspiring, powerful high schoolers, and I'm excited to meet future techies here.
This has been such a powerful event. I love nothing more than educating youth, and the questions out there are phenomenal.
What's up, guys? I'm Ryan from 100.3 The Peak. We're out at the Futures Fair, hanging out. We want to hook these kids up with some scholarship money. We've got Isotopes tickets, and just having a great time with the kids today.
I would like to say that my experience has been really good here. I did learn quite a bit from, especially the etiquette course. I really learned and took in a lot of that information.
La experiencia de hoy fue muy, ¿cómo se dice? Fue muy buena. Me interesaron mucho las clases en las que estuve.
We're here again this year, and we're so happy to be here. We're going to cook for this youth seminar. We did it last year. We were doing 450 burgers. Gonna love it, you guys. Everybody's going to eat fine and great, and hot burgers, cheeseburgers, green chili cheeseburgers. We got it.
I'm Cesar Ceres from East Mountain High School. I'm having so much fun learning about careers and education and feeling about my future.
We just finished our 2026 Youth Summit and Futures Fair. Great event, great enthusiasm, energy here from our students. We had over 250 students that were present. We had about 60 vendors that were here, providing opportunities to our students, resources and tools and knowledge that they can use after the high school. Thank you to our sponsors. Thank you to our presenting sponsors, Pima Medical Institute. You all, without you, this wouldn't be possible. We greatly appreciate your love and support for our community, especially the high school students.